The kingdom of kindness. Come along, come along. It's time for fun. Meet Kiki the kangaroo, jump and run. With Koala a king and a kite so high, an adventure awaits. Let's touch the sky. Once upon a time, there was a little kangaroo and his name was Kiki. Kiki the kangaroo loved to jump, hop, and play. But today was special. You know why? Because it was Kindness Day in the Kingdom of Kindness. The great King Kevin, he had a challenge for everyone for the missing golden key. Kiki the kangaroo rushed to her best friend, Koala the Coco. Let's find the key together, she said excited. But where do we start? Asked Coco the koala. They looked into the kitchen, behind the kettle, and inside the kit. But no key, my god. Just then they saw a beautiful kite that was stuck in a tree. Maybe the key is up there, Kiki the kangaroo said. She kicked a big stone and jumped into the air. Whoosh! The kite came down, but no key. Oh no! Where could it be? They decided to check the kennel where King Kevin's dog Kip lived. Kip, have you seen the golden key? Kiki the kangaroo asked. Kip wagged his tail and barked. Woof! Woof! He dug into the ground and ta-da! There it was, the golden key. Kiki the kangaroo and Coco the koala, they both rushed to the castle. King Kevin smiled. You found it. You both are so kind and clever. Everyone cheered. Hooray for Kiki! Hooray for Coco! Is for kangaroo kicking up high. Is for koala waving goodbye. Is for kindness spreading some cheer. Is for key. Let's all give a cheer. And from that day on, Kiki the kangaroo and Coco the koala were known as the kindest hero of the kingdom of kindness. King Kevin declared, in our kingdom, kindness is key. Kiki and Coco laughed and they gave a big high five and said, kindness always wins. And with that, they hopped off to their next adventure. Is for kindness, is for fun, is for adventure for everyone. Keep on learning, keep being kind, and more magical story you will find. The children, before you go, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such fun stories. See you next time. Bye bye.